Oh, me out. Just coming back from Bradwell's with Dad. We've got empty trailers at the back. He's going slow. Well, I don't want to. Not one bit. Just coming off the 46. Waiting in the hotel. And now we're going to go karting. Easy. It's starting to be a cunt with it. I think he knows what's coming. Do you? I think he knows what's coming. I fancy it. I mean it. I do fancy it.
Big time.
Big time. So I had a bit of a mare there.
Sure.
Shall I do it? That's it. Shall I do it? I fancy it. Big time. They'll give me a right bollocking, won't they? But yeah. Yeah. I do fancy it. Big time. Right. Fuck it. I'm going for it. It's popped her out. Here we go. He hasn't seen me yet. Oh my God! Hey! He's done him! He's fucking done him! Oh, I best get back to the farm, sorry. Alright. See, you have my fucking pants down. He did not. He did not look happy. Crazy.